Haloarene's properties. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. So one nucleophile is replaced by another nucleophile is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. So already we discussed about haloalkanes. Now we are discussing about haloarenes. In case of haloarenes, nucleophilic substitution reactions are less reactive. That means suppose if you take aryl halides, aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction than aryl alkyl halides. Compared to alkyl halides, aryl halides are very less reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So due to now we are going to explain the reasons why it is very less reactive. First one, due to resonance, stabilization by resonance. Due to stabilization by resonance. Here resonance is possible. Resonance. Suppose take one example, chlorobenzene. So you know very well resonance structures. See the students here on chlorine, 3 electron pairs are there. One of the electron pair shifts towards here. Then we can get resonance structures. See the students here. Chlorine containing 2 pairs. After donation, it contains one positive charge. Then single bond becomes double bond. Then this double bond becomes negative charge. Remaining 2 as it is. Similarly here, this negative charge becomes a double bond. Double bond becomes negative charge. Already studied in a first year organic resonance effect. So next here similarly, negative charge becomes double bond like this. Double bond becomes negative charge at this carbon, remaining as it is. Finally, see the students, finally what will happen? This negative charge becomes double bond. Double bond goes back. That means it becomes pair. See the structure, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case of 2, 3, 4, we can observe the positive charge on the chlorine and double bond character between the carbon of a benzene and chlorine. So there is a partial double bond character due to resonance. So breaking of that bond is not that much easy. So hence resonance is possible. So breaking of that bond is very difficult, means we cannot substitute the chlorine very easily. Hence nucleophilic substitution reactions are not possible. So those reasons I am writing there. So did you understand, students? In resonance structures 2, 3, 4, double bond character arises. So that's why That means that CCl bond becomes shorter. Double bond means it becomes shorter. Shorter means very strength, difficult to break. Difficult to break that bond. Hence, less reactive. So, due to partial double bond character between carbon of a benzene and chlorine, bond becomes shorter, bond length becomes shorter, bond length, and strength wise it is more stronger and difficult to break. Hence, it is less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second reason is B. Hybridization. So, hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. It also affects the nucleophilic substitution reaction, because in case of a partial double bond character X, so I said no already based on resonance structures. So this carbon is this dotted carbon, sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 carbon means it has more S character. More S character means it is more electronegative. So it has it can hold the electron pair of a CX bond. So more electronegative means this bond is taken by this carbon normally. These bonded electrons. One bond means two electrons. That two electrons are attracts towards this carbon. So that means simply this carbon having a negative charge. Then how again one more nucleophile will attack? It's not possible. So due to this sp2 carbon, more S character is present, more electronegativity is possible. Then the carbon attracts the electron pair towards it. Then more electron density is present. Then nucleophilic attack is less possible. But in case of haloalkanes, carbon contains normally RCH2X. So this carbon belongs to sp3. sp3 means less electronegative, less electron density. So compared to this one, nucleophilic attack is very easy. Next, third one. Polarity of CX bond. So we will compare here haloalkanes, haloarenes. So normally in case of which is more polar, haloalkanes or haloarenes? So CX bond in haloalkanes is more polar than CX bond in haloarenes, because in haloarenes partial double bond character is possible, so breaking is difficult. But in case of haloarenes there is no resonance. it can dissociate a C plus X minus very easily. That means more polar. Greater the polarity, more the reactivity. Simply, greater the polarity, more is the reactivity. More is the reactivity. So in case of haloalkanes, there is no resonance. So no resonance on sp3 carbon. Simply C bond X becomes C plus X minus, more polar. But in case of haloarenes, carbon X bond becomes double bond, partial double bond character arises. Then bond breaking is very difficult, less polar. So greater the polarity, higher the reactivity. Next factor is instability of a phenyl cation. So normally when X is attached, haloalkanes, suppose think it may be ionized, then it becomes positive charge, then X becomes minus. So actually not possible. This reaction is not possible. If this reaction is not possible, then only on plus phenyl cation on benzene on positive charge is there. This is phenyl cation. So nucleophilic attack is possible if this reaction is possible. But this reaction is not possible because already here resonance is possible. See here, in benzene ring resonance is possible. If positive charge is present means it is not stabilized by resonance. So simply self-ionization will not be stabilized. Self-ionization will not be stabilized by resonance. Hence, phenyl carbocation is unstable. And this reaction is not possible means nucleophilic attack is also not possible, students. Next, then how? So these are the factors why nucleophilic substitution reactions are not possible in case of haloarenes. So 4 factors are completed. Now, then how to do replacement of the chlorine? Simply we can do replacement by OH groups by introducing some electron withdrawing groups on a benzene ring. That means not at normal conditions. So chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH, then Cl is replaced by OH group. So this reaction is not possible. No reaction actually. At normal conditions. At normal condition, it is not possible. Suppose if you take electron withdrawing groups on chlorobenzene in ortho and para positions. So now if you take NaOH at 350 degrees Celsius, 300 atmosphere pressure, then so here NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. It can withdraw the electrons towards it. Then benzene electron density on the benzene will be reduces. Then benzene withdraw the electrons from chlorine. Then chlorine will leaves out. Chlorine easy OH will attack easily. So that means now what is the product is OH. See this? Now substitution is possible. So what is the main statement? In presence of electron withdrawing groups. In presence of electron withdrawing groups on benzene ring. Then nucleophilic substitution reactions. Then nucleophilic substitution reaction possible at high conditions and high pressure. Similarly, if you take chlorobenzene with two electron withdrawing groups. So electron withdrawing groups increases the activity. Then if you use NaOH, then no need 350 degrees Celsius also. Now 95 degrees Celsius is enough. What is that meaning? More the electron withdrawing groups, lower temperature is sufficient and lower pressure is suitable. Then chlorine is replaces by OH. Then it becomes OH. Chlorine is replaced by OH. See this here, with increasing number of one electron withdrawing group is present means high temperature, high pressure is required. Suppose two electron withdrawing groups are present, low temperature, low pressure is required. Low means compared to first one. Lower temperature, lower pressure means compared to first one, lower temperature is and lower pressure is suitable. Is it okay, students? Now chlorobenzene contains 3 electron withdrawing groups on ortho and para positions. Then no need any temperature, just little bit of warming is sufficient. Then OH replaces very easily. OH replaces the chlorine very easily. So that means with increasing number of electron withdrawing groups, reaction will proceed very faster. So in presence of electron withdrawing groups on a benzene ring, chlorine will replace easily. That means nucleophilic substitution reactions are possible.